Hello guys, Teacher Jed here. Our topic for today is all about scientific theory and scientific law. We'll talk about their similarities and differences. What do you mean by scientific law? What do you mean by scientific theory? When a hypothesis or a group of closely related hypotheses is supported through many tests over many years, a scientific theory can be developed. A scientific theory is an explanation of observations or events that is based on knowledge gained from many observations and investigations. A scientific theory does not develop from just one hypothesis, but from many hypotheses that are connected by a common idea. The kinetic molecular theory is the result of the investigations of many scientists. The kinetic molecular theory explains how particles that make up a gas move in constant, random motions. A particle moves in a straight line until it collides with another particles or with the wall of its container. The kinetic molecular theory also assumes that the collision of particles in a gas are elastic collisions. An elastic collision is a collision in which no kinetic energy is lost. Therefore, kinetic energy among gas particles is conserved. A scientific law is different from a societal law, which is an agreement on a set of behaviors. A scientific law is a rule that describes a repeatable pattern in nature. A scientific law does not explain why or how the pattern happens. It only states that it will happen. For example, if you drop a ball, it will fall towards the ground every time. This is a repeated pattern that relates to the law of universal gravitation. The law of conservation of energy is also a scientific law. The law of conservation of energy states that in any chemical reaction or physical change, energy is neither created nor destroyed. The total energy of particles before and after collisions is the same. However, this scientific law, like all scientific laws, does not explain why energy is conserved. It simply states that energy is conserved. Scientific law versus scientific theory. Both are based on repeated observations and can be rejected or modified. A scientific law states that an event will occur. For example, energy will conserve when particles collide. It does not explain why an event will occur or how it will occur. Scientific laws work under specific conditions in nature. A law stands true until an observation is made that does not follow the law. A scientific theory is an explanation of why or how an event occurred. For example, collisions of particles of gas are elastic collisions. Therefore, no kinetic energy is lost. A theory can be rejected or modified if someone observes an event that disproves the theory. A theory will never become a law. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.